All right, so again, I don't know what happened to my originals to this. So we're just going to go ahead and do what we did last couple times. Okay, so I'm just going to use a separate sheet of paper. When I solve this, I have 8w plus 9 is less than negative 31. Subtract 9 from both sides, so I get 8w is less than negative 40. Divide both sides by 8, and I get w is less than negative 5. Okay? We're going to move right along to this third one here. So 17 minus 2a is less than or equal to 29. Subtract both sides by 17, so I get negative 2a is less than or equal to 12. Divide both sides by negative 2, and a is bigger than or equal to negative 6. Remember, when you divide or multiply by a negative number, you have to switch the direction of the inequality sign. Okay? All right, so 5 minus 3t is greater than negative 7, so subtract 5 from both sides. Negative 3t is greater than negative 12. Divided by negative 3, so t is less than 4. So let's turn the paper a little bit here. So d over 7 plus 4 is greater than negative 2. Subtract 4 from both sides. D over 7 is greater than negative 6. Multiply both sides by 7, and d is greater than negative 42. Here we're going to have to distribute before we do anything else. So I have 5 times y minus 2 minus 2y is greater than or equal to 5. So distribute. 5y minus 10 minus 2y is greater than or equal to 5. 3y minus 10 is greater than or equal to 5. Add 10 to both sides. 3y is greater than or equal to 15. Divide both sides by 3, and y is bigger than or equal to 5. Where's our next one? Here's the next one. 3 times p minus 2 minus 7p is less than 6. So 3p minus 6 minus 7p is less than 6. So negative 4p minus 6 is less than 6. Add 6 to both sides. Negative 4p is less than 12. Divide by negative 4, and p is greater than negative 3. All right, so now is your time to pause and to try some problems on your own. The ones that we are going to do, I have no idea because I didn't circle them on my paper. Let's see, which one should we do? We should do 5. We should do 4. Go backwards, sorry. We should do 8. And how about a couple of them on this side? These two. Okay, so go ahead, pause the video, and we'll come right back. All right, so now we're back in business. Subtract 2 from both sides. So 2p is greater than negative 19. Divide both sides by 2, and p is greater than negative 19 over 2. Okay. Subtract 60 from both sides. So I get negative 48 is greater than negative 6r. Divide both sides by negative 6. Remember, switch the direction of the sign. So I get 8 is less than r. Now, it's a little weird. I want the variable to always be in front. I think it would be better that way. So r, remember the little alligator mouth? You know, it's eating the r. So r is bigger than 8 is the way that we would rewrite that. Okay? 8, distribute my 3. So 12c minus 15 minus 2c is bigger than 0. So 10c minus 15 is bigger than 0. Add 15 to both sides. So 10c is bigger than 15. Divide both sides by 10. And I get c is something weird happened. Oh no, nothing weird happened. Okay. C is bigger than 3/2. Okay. Switching the page. Distribute my -3. So negative 53 is greater than negative 9z minus 9 plus 3z. So I get negative 53 is greater than negative 6z minus 9. Add 9 to both sides. And I get negative 44 is greater than negative 6z. Divide both sides by -6. Switch the direction of the signs. So I have 22 over 3 is less than z. So then z is greater than 22 over 3. Okay. Distribute my 2. So 6w plus 5 is greater than 6w plus 6. When I subtract 6w from both sides, the w's cancel out. So then I'm left with 5 is bigger than 6, which is not true. So this is no solution. If I were to get an inequality that was true, like if it was like 6 is bigger than 5, and then that's all solutions or all real numbers. Okay? And that is it for this section.